Not getting good airflow through your vents? Got a musty smell in your car? Probably need to check your cabin filter. And today, I'm gonna show you how easy it is in 4 steps. So smash that subscribe button and let's get straight to the point. Step 1, we have to find the cabin air filter. Most cabin air filters will be behind the glove box. So when we are removing the glove box, we're going to find the little fingers here. We're gonna push those back. And then once we have the fingers pushed back, we can just drop the glove box like this. No need to take it all the way out. Then we're gonna look in here and you can see that little cover right here is the cabin air filter cover. Step 2, we are going to remove the cover. So right here, we're gonna pop this little cover off. And now we can see our cabin filter in there. Step number 3, we are going to very carefully remove our cabin air filter. We don't want dirt and leaves and things like that to fall out of it, because if it gets in our blower motor, it will make a bunch of noise. Step number 4 is for you. If this is helping you, help me out. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and let me know in the comments, what are you working on today? We are going to determine whether we need to replace or clean our cabin filter. I don't happen to have a new one, so I'm just gonna shake it out, get all the leaves and stuff like that out of it, and yeah, it's good. It'll last a little bit longer. At that point, we just reverse the procedure. Put our filter back in there, make sure we get our cover back in there correctly, make sure it snaps on there, bring our glove box, put all our stuff back in our glove box, and we are done. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching today. If I helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and have a great day.